how to download resources in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the different resources. First of all, open the application. Now on the top, you can see this download button. Simply tap on download. Here, you'll be able to see this download manager. Here, you'll be able to see different modes and maps that you can download for the game. So here, you can simply tap on this download button and it will take some time and it will install and download all the maps and all the things required in the game. So here you must do it for all for better experience of the game. At last, download it and you can even earn different rewards and you can simply go back. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.